I was recently reading an article about Canberra's water and found out that it was voted the best water out of the ACT and New South Wales region. But how could there be a difference in water taste? I mean, it's just water, right? Well, there happens to be lots of factors influencing the taste of water. Let's go and see now. There are many different places you can get water from. You can get them from rivers, lakes, the ground, or dams. This is called a dam that provides part of Canberra's water supply. According to Icon Water, it can hold up to 79.4 gigaliters of water. That is more than 30,000 full-size swimming pools. This is enough to supply a large amount of water to the ACT region. But what are the factors influencing the cleanliness and the taste of the water? Many factors influence the taste of the water, but it all has to do with where it passes before it gets to you. You see, when water evaporates, it filters it. It takes up a cleaner water and leaves behind a lot of the contaminants. These contaminants can be the total dissolved solids within the water, or TDS for short. The clouds that carry this therefore have lower TDS water, and when it precipitates, as rainfall or snowfall, it leaves behind low TDS water. So recently precipitated water is quite clean. As it passes through different systems, this changes the composition. Surrounding rocks, soils, and the influence of trees can all have an impact on the TDS, as when it passes, the water can collect the contaminants. As it moves along the river, it can also evaporate, which raises the total concentration of the dissolved contaminants left behind. Thus, if you collect the water downstream, the composition can be quite different to the water upstream. Agriculture and sewage treatment can also play a role, as they can release further contaminants and dissolved solids into the stream. So, further treatment may be needed down the stream. It's all about managing agriculture and sewage treatment, so not too many contaminants are introduced. Fertilizers, for instance, can introduce quite a lot of contaminants. And poor sewage treatment? You can imagine. This can have quite a lot of influence on water quality and taste. Canberra receives its water from three catchments: the Murrumbidgee River, the Cotter River, and the Goulburn Dam. Around the Cotter River, the water is cleanest, as there is a national park here. Because of this, little water is used as farming or industry. And this means that little treatment has to be done before it gets to homes. So therefore, as a result, the water is clearer, cleaner, and tastes better. Water can also come from the ground, from aquifers. These are units of rocks that can allow water to flow through them, and are a good source of water for many towns and cities. Within these aquifers, there are also many factors that can influence the composition of the water, and therefore the taste. In the unsaturated zone, where the free space consists of water and air, factors like the decay of organic matter can play a large role. As a plant material decays, it releases carbon dioxide, which can change the acidity of the rock. As the water is not in contact with the air, the oxygen may not be replaced. In the saturated zone, where the water has filled the empty space, the rock plays a large role. Different rocks can release different chemicals, like calcium carbonate and silica. This means that groundwater can taste quite different. Bungendore, for example, which gets its water from ground, has a different taste to Canberra's water. So there's a lot that influences water. The rock composition, where you are, and how the water is treated all plays a role. There's more to water than just taste. Until next time, thanks for watching. Okay. Alright, I'm a bit sick, but let's do this anyway, since I'm almost done. So this was part 3 of a 3-video series for Science Communications on the Web course. If you could, I hope to do more in the future, so please leave me feedback down below. Or alternatively, you could also look at some other students' projects, such as the one right here and right here. Thanks for staying till this point, and until next time, thank you for watching.